The PICO 4 VR headset is here, and it has been tasked with being the challenger to the all-conquering Meta Quest 2 VR headset. In this extensive PICO 4 review, we will analyze the key features, prices, specifications, and performance of the headset to see if it has earned the title as the best all-in-one VR headset and help you decide which virtual reality headset to buy. As seems to be the trend in the tech industry, PICO has predominantly gone for a white box. The box has pictures of the device as well as games available on it and general information including certifications and warnings. Something different is the pearl purple finish on the top of the box, which becomes more purple the further away one is, which is quite cool. Once the box is opened, a cardboard molding can be found to ensure the device is well protected and not able to move. The cables and accessories are also nicely packaged in separate cardboard boxes within the casing. The front of the PICO 4 is much lighter compared to its predecessor, the PICO Neo 3 Link, weighing in at 295 grams versus 395 grams. A feat of engineering contributed to the new pancake lenses, enabling a much slimmer and lighter form factor. The front of the PICO 4 is only 1 ohm the size of the front of the Neo 3 Link. One of the issues with VR headsets using Fresnel lenses in the past has been the discomfort caused by all the weight on the front of the device. However, at 295 grams, PICO has taken a major step in making it less noticeable and more comfortable. The PICO 4 also takes comfort further by building on the tried and tested battery on the back of the headband. By placing the battery in the back of the headband and therefore back of the device, it has an exceptionally balanced weight distribution. Like its previous headsets, PICO has also continued with the use of 3-part headband and a fit wheel to easily adjust the device to the for a snug fit. The top of the headband uses Velcro and is not necessarily needed and can be removed easily, however it can give more stability to some users. Overall, after playing a mix of games for 2 to 3 hours with only breaks to wipe some sweat away, the headset remained comfortable with little discomfort. In terms of looks, the PICO 4 comes in a slightly gray-white tone. One of the issues with Quest 2 and PICO Neo 3 Link is that the white can easily get dirty. This may have factored into PICO's thinking, as the gray-white looks as good as new after extensive use. The smaller front of the device compared to the Quest 2 and Neo 3 Link also give it a much more stylish and attractive look. Like on the Neo 3 Link, you must create a PICO account to use the PICO 4. Registration is super simple and can be done on the computer beforehand for a faster process. It took no more than 2 minutes to make an account for PICO and then log in on my PICO 4 device. After this, the account will stay on the device until you log out, making it a one-time action. Lastly, establishing the tracking zone or boundary area is also easier on PICO 4 with its 16MP RGB camera allowing for color video pass-through. This means the setup is more user-friendly as you can see your surroundings clearly to draw your play area. Compared to the PICO Neo 3 Link and Oculus Quest 2, which only support black and white video pass-through, the PICO 4 runs on the industry-leading Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor. The 2's is powerful and energy efficient. It is also a custom-built chip for XR headsets. The 2's Lankarupees provides the PICO 4 with enough computing power to run titles such as I Expect You to Die 2 and Half-Life Alyx in immersive resolution on the headset. One of the most important design decisions by PICO was to remove the built-in DisplayPort. This means that the PICO 4 has no dedicated wired streaming as of the moment of writing. This means that SteamVR can only be accessed on the PICO 4 wirelessly. This leaves users with 2 options. The first option is through using the virtual desktop application to wirelessly stream PC VR games. The second option is through using the wireless dongle accessory for the PICO 4 that will allow you to connect it to the PC and, with help with the PICO streaming assistant, use it as a PC VR headset. It has been some time, but the crown has passed from Quest 2 to PICO 4 for the best all-in-one VR headset. The only 2 instances we recommend Quest 2 over PICO 4 are if wired streaming is a must, or if a 120 Hz refresh rate is required. Besides these, PICO 4 delivers a substantially better visual performance with higher pixels per inch, a wider and immersive field of view, superior comfort, and best of all, at a lower price than Oculus Quest 2/Meta Quest 2. In short, the new PICO 4 is ready to take the mantle from the once untouchable Meta Quest 2.